In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Recycler Death on your Windows computer. So Recycler Death is one of the best tools and softwares that you can use to do a deep scan and remove any hidden antivirus. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go ahead and open any browser, then just enter Recycler Death and hit the search icon. You can see we have here Recycler Death on this Softonic website. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, we can download it for our Windows computer. As you can see, we have a free download here for Windows computer that you can download directly. Or if you scroll down, you should see also free download for PC. Go ahead and click on this. And this will open the download window. Again, repeat, click on it, and your download will start immediately. Now you can see the file has been downloaded. If I click on it here, it is here under my downloads. Now you can run and install it by just double clicking on it. Go ahead and click on OK on this setup wizard. Then click on next. And then we have here additional offers. You can decide whether you want to accept them or skip all. So I'll skip all. And now the download is on here. And within seconds, the installation will be done. You can now launch it by clicking on run here. So that's how you can install Recycler Death on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.